Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, you guys. So currently trending would have to be this video of two Saint John church member, as you guys back really but the date but love together, you guys, and the video has been shared, so you decided to read this video in my home language because the first video that I did was taken off by YT because what I violated like the guidelines for post the nepe wrong. I shouldn't have, you guys. So I'm sure you went there on Facebook. Modorang is currently trending at number one. There was someone in the background ordering this video, and unfortunately I post like a social media motoring currently at the moment it trend at number one, including Twitter, you guys. And Barry, this lady, one more video, apparently she is a married woman, you guys. People are currently making fun of the situation there on social media, you guys. This whole situation, please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, of course, to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. This lady Upuji, like the Church of the Saint John, and also why is this guy not getting the same treatment like this lady? Because but really this thing, why do you have to blame only Masadi and not the guy? What do you guys think? Couple of engaging your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course sharing so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.